Good morning. Mark 11, verse 22. And Jesus answering saith unto them, Have faith in God. For verily I say unto you, that whosoever shall say unto this mountain, Be thou removed, and be thou cast into the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but shall believe that those things which he saith shall come to pass, he shall have whatsoever he saith. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever you desire, when you pray, believe that you receive them, and you shall have them. Now the Lord woke me up this morning and he said to me, Letitia, you know what? It is not enough to believe in your heart only. You can't just believe my word in your heart only. And I'm like, Lord, he says, you got to believe my word. It needs to be in your heart, but you also need to release my word through your words. It is not enough to believe in your heart. You have to speak it with your mouth. In other words, you have to speak to your mountain. You have to speak to your sickness, because your healing is in your mouth. You got to believe it in your heart, and you got to say it with your mouth. That is how you release faith. Be blessed.